ऑफिस से मैं आई हूँ अभी जस्ट ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक 1 घंटे पहले, और मैं क्विकली यहाँ पे बैठ गई हूँ बिकॉज आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर टू लॉन्ग टू शो यू गाइज bunch of makeup that I got from Nykaa. Almost 8,000 मैंने एक ही दिन में उड़ा दिए थे, and these are some of the products I'm really yearning to use. The first one is actually side products इधर उधर फैले हुए हैं, so let me show you one by one. Okay, I've already used color corrector on my face. Now let's go use this. Now this is the first time I'm actually using with you guys only. मैंने कुछ oh shit, is this how use? Is this how shit? ये कैसे निकलता है? I'm not sure. I'm only going. आ रहा है कि नहीं? Oh, आया. I'm going to take only 2 pumps and see if this is actually. I did not shake it. I was supposed to shake it pretty well. I am not sure if this is gonna work. My skin is right now already breaking. I mean, you can see it here. इसलिए मैं इधर से makeup start कर रही हूँ. But oh my god, freaking love the coverage. And you saw, right? Those were like just 2 drops. You saw that, right? Oh my god. What are you saying? You can see it, right? You can see, no? Okay, now this side. See, this is the mark. You can see this is the acne. This is the mark. So, oh my god. So this foundation was a success. So putting 4,800 in this foundation, 100% worth it. Worth it. Not regretting buying this at all. And it just blends with your skin, okay? It like really blends with your skin. It doesn't give you a cakey feel, not to my skin at least. So like really happy with this buy. Okay, now the second thing I'm really excited to use is this K-Beauty. I don't know if you can see. K-Beauty ka Rani Rose color. Now this is again I think was of 1,700, but oh my god, look at the packaging. You see, the packaging is too good. So when I saw this, I think I was sold 75% of it because of the packaging, because oh my god, you see the packaging. I mean, देख लेना, शायद मैं Instagram पे डालूंगी, पता नहीं मुझे, but इसकी packaging बहुत मस्त है. It's very metallic. You see? It's too good. This is just me. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my god. So, you know, I don't know if you can, okay, color to you can see, but when you actually feel this is very soft to your lips. It doesn't feel very ऐसे चिपचिपा सा or dry सा. It's just perfect. Feels like your lips only. Basically good lips. It was totally worth paying, you know, 1,700 for this lipstick. Now, the other thing is this. Now, this I'm actually buying for the second time. It's nothing new about this, but this is very nice gloss whenever I feel like a little party thing. मतलब अगर gloss चाहिए तो I think this is that one gloss that I really rely on. Nykaa के glosses मुझे actually पसंद है. You see that gloss? You see that? मतलब बहुत ऐसे when you go out for a casual day out, but you wanna look little elevated, I think this is the combo I'm going to use. I think ये 3 products है. There are more actually. Beauty का loose powder. So let's just. I have never used any loose powder before. By the way, मैंने ब्लश नहीं लगाया इसलिए बहुत अधूरा सा लग रहा है. So again, I don't want to use K-Beauty का lipstick as my blush because अभी तो उसको oh my god, अभी तो मैंने उसको स्टार्ट किया. अभी मैंने जस्ट पहली बार तो यूज़ किया उसको एकदम से ऐसे गाल पे लगाना. It just doesn't feel right. So let me just put on some blush and come here, okay? I am pretty sure you cannot see the blush that I've put. But you know what? I don't care. The second thing that I bought was this. No, wait. I wanted to try K-Beauty ka loose powder, actually, the compact. I've never used those things before. I'm not a makeup person, so I'm just getting very to actually own these things, you know. K-Beauty has really good packaging way, no? I like it. Okay. What is... How to open this? Okay, wait. Am I... Guys, let me figure out how to open this and I'll get back. Okay, I finally opened it and I think मैंने थोड़ा गिरा भी दिया है. But let me see how it works. Let me zoom it a little for you. Can you see it? Let's see how this works. This is what loose powders are for, right? To mattify a little and give a little. So I think it did work, right? This is the part and this is the part. Satisfied. I don't know. I've never used this before, so this is my first time using it. So I don't have anything to compare. Wait a second. Kachra dekh liya. I don't have anything to compare it with, but if you get the difference, if you are somebody who keeps doing makeup, so I think the difference is this only. कि ये जो थोड़ा जो oily pen है वो निकल जाता है. So like this. Not bad, right? Good investment, I guess. जो दो लिए है वो मैंने ये दो लिए है. I think these are just two lipsticks and you know what? Let's try it out. I have to just ये वाली lipstick देखते हैं. एक तो दिख तो नहीं रहा होगा तुम लोगों. This is the one. Let's see if this is a good matte lipstick. Oh, but I don't know why in my head it was a liquid lipstick. It's more of a stick lipstick. Show you guys. Not bad, no? And it's actually matte. Oh my god, I love it. Have you guys tried chai latte? एक Nykaa का lipstick था. It was a liquid lipstick. It's exactly that same color, but it's in the stick format. So yeah, again, very happy about it. Actually, I bought all these things from Nykaa Luxe, which is in Bandra. And to be honest, the girl who was helping me out with this, she was like really helpful. She got me some really good products. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay. Do you want to, you know what, अब मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच ही गई हूँ, so let me try that basic this lipstick as well. I'm hoping this to be my everyday makeup lipstick. निकाल लिया मैंने अभी फिलहाल. But this is another lipstick. अभी नहीं आती, मुझे डर लगता है कि मैं तोड़ दूँगी. Again, not bad. I don't think so there's anything that I bought which I regret buying. I think I love everything that I've got. Everything. See, I know this could not be the best makeup video or makeup haul video that you have seen. This is just me randomly talking to you guys. So if you really like it, and I'm trying to work on doing more content. I do have a 9-to-5 job. So उसके साथ I try to do these little videos. But if you think these are good and you feel like you want to be part of my journey, who's really struggling with the content because our main focus is on 9-to-5 job, you gotta subscribe to me. Really. Because, yeah, you just have to. Okay, bye.